Hi, it's your boy, the Redneck Warrior again, and I'm about to teach you how to lower your spare tire in your Trailblazer so you can change your tire if it ever blows out. So, if you're in your Trailblazer and you're out and you hear something pop, well, it ain't a cherry. So it's more than likely your tire, and you're like, oh no, what did I do? I'm about to show you how to get your spare tire out. If you didn't know, these seats fold up. You didn't know it, but now you do. We'll fold the seats up. I'm gonna grab this bar. You wanna grab that bar. And I'm gonna show you how to put them together. Alright, so if you made it that far, you got this bar, you've got that bar. You'll notice this thing has a small square, and it has a large square. The large square, you're gonna put in this little hole right here. You're gonna try to make babies. So we gotta impregnate it. So go in here and start finding it, and you're like, oh hell, I hit the G-spot. That's where you're at. See this little square right here? You're gonna pick that little square. The square goes in the square. Triangle goes in the triangle. You get the idea. And you'll turn counterclockwise. Oh shit. It's getting real now. Anyways, you'll keep turning. And you see your little bitty tire on the very bottom will start dropping. Anyways, get it down to the ground, get it off, in the store. To get that far, you notice a third bar right here. Take the third bar out. It's got a little hook on this side. It's got a square on this side. Anyways, the little hook, once you get your jack out and set it all up, the little hook will go inside the jack, start spinning. You'll put this one and this one together. See these bars? They go together. And on this end, you do the same with your spare tire. And put it in like that. Check it out. You made you a sword. And obviously, that's your lug end. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. You done great. We counted to 10. We done good. We got through it together. Love you guys.